What is Stellar, XLM? By building a distributed network that has been compared to everything from a payment rail to an exchange, Stellar aims to rethink the market for the exchange of money and assets. Therefore, although explanations for the query, what is Stellar, depending on who you ask, may change, but technology isn't to blame for it. Stellar still enables users to send money and assets in ways that have typically been the purview of payment providers, just as it did at its 2014 introduction. The distinction is that Stellar makes these services possible by encouraging a dispersed network of machines to use a same piece of software. Anyone utilizing a Stellar-powered service would be able to transfer anything, from fiat money to tokens that represented both new and old assets. Then, using its cryptocurrency, lumens, these assets can be transferred between users, across borders, with less difficulty, XLM. In this regard, Stellar is comparable to the XRP ledger, and its digital currency, XRP, which similarly aims to serve as a protocol for financial institutions and payment providers. However, Stellar has also attempted to portray itself as a sort of decentralized exchange because its ledger effectively functions as an order book that tracks who has what Stellar assets. With features that let users manage buy and sell orders and specify preferred assets when settling deals, developers have been working to make Stellar a marketplace for assets issued on its own protocol. How does Stellar work? The XRP ledger's code was cloned by Stellar at the time of its inception, therefore a lot of its features and design were carried over. Stellar has since made technical adjustments that distinguish its product, nevertheless. Protocol of Stellar Consensus. The largest change to Stellar occurred in 2015 when it switched to a purpose-built replacement for the mechanism that kept the computers using its software in sync about the state of its ledger. The Stellar Consensus Protocol allows nodes to vote on transactions until quorums are attained and is based on the idea of Federated Byzantine Agreement, a consensus process that predates the one created for Bitcoin, BTC. Running a node Stellar Core, the program that runs the Stellar network, can be used in a variety of ways depending on the requirements of the user. Nodes can be configured to act as watchers, archivers, basic validators, or full validators, for example. Transactions can only be submitted by watchers. In contrast, full validators take part in the Stellar Consensus Protocol by voting on which transactions should be recognized as valid and keeping a history of these votes for other nodes. Asset release. Stellar anchors carry out yet another crucial network task, originally called gateways. These organizations accept currency and asset deposits and create new Stellar representations of those assets. The conditions Stellar users must satisfy in order to hold the assets are then established by anchors. Access to assets can also be revoked by them. Thanks for watching.